Ramly Food Processing SDN BHD was created in 1984 by Datuk Dr. Haji Ramli Mokni and his wife, Datin Haja Shalasia Abdul Manap. Perusahaan Burger Ramli Mokni SDN BHD was the previous name of the business. Datuk Dr. Haji Ramli and his wife first began selling hamburgers at street food booth in 1979. Marketing the beginning of the company history, Smordati 2020. He was simply a butcher in a market at the time, which increased his curiosity in the origins of the meat and whether or not it was halal. He is motivated by the circumstance to offer halal and certified meat sources for all Muslims in the nation and led him to have the notion of starting a bigger and more reliable organization. Ramly Food Processing SDN BHD now owned the processing factory that is situated in SME Industrial Parks thanks to their tenacity and diligence. 10 subsidiary business including Ramly Food Industry, Processing, Marketing, Service and Logistics are among those operated by Mukim Batu in Kuala Lumpur. In addition, their corporate philosophy reflects our continued belief in the importance of consistency and our drive for achievement. The organization has goals for its business. They adhere to the Sharia law and use the notion of halalan tayyiban, which implies the meal is both hygiene and safe. This indicates that the meal was prepared in accordance with Islamic law and is safe for humans. How the frozen food is made was also made clean and truly to meet with Sharia law and to be certified by Jambatan Kemajuan Islam Malaysia. Last but not least, the business received the Halal Excellence Award in connection with the 2016 World Halal Conference Salamat 2016. They were honored by the Development Bank, winning the Best Project Award in 1982, the Client Development Award in 1984, and the Jaya Entrepreneur Award in 1992. It demonstrates how Datuk Ramli perseverance together with his diligence and good faith led to success.
The role of packaging is a critical factor in logistics and shipping because it has everything to do with customer satisfaction. Packaging is one way to ensure that goods are safe, secure, and efficient when handled, transported, and stored. If the packaging is done correctly and professionally, it will ensure the minimum returns of damaged goods from the customer. So, through high-quality packaging, the customer will get the goods in the desired shape and condition. There are three different types of packaging. First is primary, which is also known as the consumer unit that helps preserve and protect the product from contaminants in direct contact with the product. Secondary is the second type of packaging that helps make it easier for buyers to handle the product as a single pack. Lastly, tertiary packaging is transit or bulk packaging, which is used to transport products in large quantities. The packaging that has been used depends on the product type to ensure that the product is preserved and protected. Meanwhile, there are also three types of packaging for safe travel in logistics, which is individual packaging, inner packaging, and outer packaging. Individual packaging is packaging for only one thing. For instance, each piece of candy gets its package, and because of that, water, humidity, and heat are all things that can damage the product if they get into it. Next, inner packaging refers to the packaging that has been used to put different products together in one place or a bag. For instance, there is a bag full of different kinds of candy, which is designed to show the products and attract attention from the buyer to buy it. Lastly, the outer packaging is the part of the biggest package, such as a box or wooden crate. The main purpose of the outer packaging is to keep the product clean and safe from contaminants. Ramly Food Processing Sdn Bhd is a company that uses plastic-based materials in its product packaging. This is because Ramly Food Processing Sdn Bhd is a company that offers a variety of frozen food products. So, to make it easier for customers to differentiate all the products, there are different colors of packaging that have been used, besides the purpose to attract customers. For instance, blue packaging is for organic, chicken and fish product only. Meanwhile, dark brown packaging is the main color for beef products, even though the product can naturally exist in many colors. Furthermore, Ramly Food Processing Sdn Bhd also put a lot of information on the packaging to make it easier for the customer to know about the product. For instance, the company put information about the product ingredient, content, minimum weight, how to store the product, and size specification for each pack of the product. Moreover, the company also put an important logo on the package of each product, such as the Halal logo, Persil logo, and Bermutu logo. Most Muslims will buy this product which had the Halal logo on it. This is because the Halal logo is a logo for Muslim customers that shows the product is clean and free of fecal contamination by Islamic law or detrimental to health. Meanwhile, the Persil logo is a logo that shows the strengthening and maintaining the animal health status conducive to the animal-based product. This logo is a Ramly health assurance through the control of zoonotic and wholesome food production from animal-based products and to show that the process of Ramly's product is clean and safe. Besides that, the company also put the Bermutu logo on the package to show the quality of their products with the quality of imported goods. Generally, Malaysia is known for producing a variety of quality goods among tourists. Therefore, when customers see the logo, they will know all of Ramly's products were produced based on good ingredients only.
The second activity of logistics is material handling. Material handling is the movement, protection, storage, and control of materials and products throughout manufacturing, warehousing, distribution, consumption, and disposal. As a process, material handling incorporates a wide range of manual, semi-automated, and automated equipment and systems that support logistics and make the supply chain work. First, material handling improves efficiently by making the logistic system respond quickly and effectively to plan and customer requirements. For efficient movement of goods into the warehouse, locating stock, accurately filling order, and rapidly preparing order for shipment to customers. Materials handling is very important to outbound logistics. In inbound logistics term, material handling serves company plans in the same way. Firms need to integrate material handling requirement not only for the customer department need but also for meeting their customer need. Through research, the company Ramly Food Processing Sdn Bhd will first get order from the wholesaler until the wholesaler does online or face-to-face payment. Reception activity orders, product distribution and payment collection should be carried out in timely and short time by the manufacturer. Next, order which is order will be delivered using the company's container truck Ramly to branch that order Ramly products such as Giant, Tesco, Pacific, and Ayombe. Lastly, product of Ramly Food Processing Sdn Bhd will be distributed using frozen container trucks. This frozen container truck is used to keep Ramly products fresh since the product is a frozen product. This finishing product will be taken from the processing plant which is at Bandar Tun Razak in Industrial Area Ceras and in Taman Perindustrian IKS Mukin Batu, Kuala Lumpur by using a lorry container by Syarikat Ramly Food Processing Sdn Bhd. Therefore, before products are distributed to wholesalers and retailers, workers will make a review first to each product.
Inventory control is also known as stock control, and it can be broadly defined as the activity of checking a shop's stock. It is the process of ensuring that the right amount of supply is available within a business. Other facts of inventory control include forecasting future demand, supply chains management, production control, financial flexibility, purchasing data, loss prevention and turnover, and customer satisfaction. Moreover, inventory control is important for every business to control inventory levels so that they are at an optimal level. This optimal level means neither excess nor decrease. This monitoring is also to check the stock that have just arrived from the factory. This is also ensure that the inventory is always sufficient before marketing. Furthermore, the company use wholesale channels, retailers and consumers are involved in these channels for recording activities and selling all stock. This is because the Ramly company needs a wholesale to help in sales transaction. After all, the Ramly company produce the manufactures many products that are used as stock. Lastly, Ramly Food Processing Sdn Bhd also use all their items in ensuring that the product they make are recognizable to all customers in Malaysia and abroad. Because of that, with their current production of 1 million petis a day, 70% goes to the local market, whereas 30% is export. Their products have been exported more abroad, such as to Thailand, Bangladesh, Vietnam, and Indonesia. Ramly Food Processing Sdn Bhd company is a company that has systematic inventory control. Because of that, systematic and efficient management in managing inventory benefits not only from the management aspect, but also other aspects such as reducing the cost of expenses in Ramly company.
Next is facility location. Facility location is the right location for the manufacturing facility. It will have sufficient access to the customers, workers, and transportation. Facility location also is a critical business strategy decision. Ramly Food Processing (SDN) BHD developed a high-tech plant covering an area of 8 acres for the main office and administrative building. The remaining 6 acres are divided into several areas such as a high-tech wastewater treatment plant, logistic, base, staff and visitor parking and security office. This main plant is also equipped with various infrastructure and facilities such as a product research laboratory with international standards, a product development department, and auditorium with a capacity of 300 guests and a visitor viewing deck. The construction of this main plant is divided into 2 phases. The first phase will focus on the production of burgers, frankfurters, nuggets, and meatballs. The second phase will complete all 6 production lines. The production capacity of each production line is 5 tons of raw material per hour.
So for the next part of logistic activities is warehouse. Warehouse is a large building for storing things before they are sold, used, or sent out to shop. This include all cargoes such as raw materials, part, work in process, and finished good. Warehouse safely and securely store and protect product in organized way. It makes it easy to track the item locations, when the item arrived, how long the item has been there, and the quantity on hand. This picture is one of the Ramly Foods warehouse. They have two Ramly's warehouse, which is located in Bandar Tun Razak Industrial Area Ceras and IKS Industrial Park Mukim Batu Kuala Lumpur. Ramly Processing SDN BHG warehouse is filled with frozen machine because most of the company production product are frozen foods. The finishing products such as sausage, nugget, and meatball will be arranged in the freezer first before being put in the box and sent to the supplier. This product being placed in the machine is to ensure that the food lasts longer and does not damage. Usually, frozen product will be placed in the fixed locations. The fixed location is basically for regular stock item with fixed address of a good location. Ramly Food Processing is not only produce a frozen product, but this company also manufactures dry food product, which are burger buns. This product is organized, will usually be placed in a box. The box will be placed on the block stacking in the warehouse. In this type of pallet, unit loads are stacking on the top of each other, which are normally stored on the floor. In managing the warehouse, all handlers should understand the basic principle of handling the cargo. The first principle is principle of safety. Every company, include Ramly Processing SDN BHD, will prioritize safety in every activities. Stretching and bending over when lifting the things should be avoided. Next is equipment utilization principle. Every staff need to use the correct equipment to handle each good. Staff can use animation whenever possible rather than use with physical manpower. Space utilization principle is also important. All staff need to work together to optimize the warehouse space. Next, we also have planning principle, simplification principle, and principle of unit size. All of the principle is very important in logistic activities.